Hello, what you're seeing here is a Raspberry Pi, and here's a HDMI to VGA converter that I bought from China. I can put a link in the description box for, a link to where you can buy the product. It's not even warm, that's nice. So it's running actual VGA over to a computer monitor. It's running a Raspberry BMC at the moment, and I have to say it's actually pretty dang sharp. Can't really see it all that well on the screen here, but it is very sharp for what it is. And running a movie from a USB stick here, and got the speaker here, and my there's me. Hello. There's a Android tablet with remote. So I want videos and files. I can just press here wherever I want. It's very nice. And there, take that and boosh. Picture is actually pretty darn good. This is not HD or anything, but it works. It's the movie Iron Sky, if you wonder. So yeah, it does work very well. Yeah, just a very cheap adapter. It works great. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.